Okay, so I was asked to do this question, lesson 7, question 13b. It's a great question. The problem that happens is you're trying to find, the a value is not hard. Let's start with that. So the a value, it goes up to 2 and down to -2, so the a value equals 2. Okay, the hard part is the b, because what your instinct is to do is to try to find the cycle. So you're looking at how long this one cycle of sine is. So I'm just picking that one because it starts at 0, 0. I realize it's an upside down sign, but it actually doesn't matter as long as you have one full cycle. Here's the problem. You cannot tell what that number is because it's between marks, right? It's somewhere after the pi over 2 but before the pi. So here's the way I reasoned this. I know exactly where this point is. This point is at pi over 2. So remember, this graph is symmetrical. So from here to here, that's half of the period. And then here to here is the other half of the period. Here to here is the other half of the period. So if here to here is a half, then here to here is a quarter. Or in other words, this part right here, that is 3/4 of a cycle. And that has a period of pi over 2. So from 0 to pi over 2, that is the length of one cycle. So what I did is I said, okay, well, how long then would one cycle be? What would the period be? So what I did is I took out all the words, took out the pi, and I cross-multiplied and divided. So I went 1 times a half and then divided by 3/4. What I got out was 2/3. So if I put the pi back in, that means my period is 2 pi over 3. So remember, b does not equal period. So what I'm going to do is I'm looking for the b value. So I'm going to go 2 pi over period. Remember, use that formula. My period is 2 pi over 3. So 2 pi divided by 2 pi over 3. So b equals 3. I hope that helps.